All right, so some of the things that come in this, you got your auto latch, gun boot slides right in there, connects, good to go. You got two of those. Two of the mounting brackets that come with it, they're gonna bolt right to that. You got your plugs that are gonna go in to these. You got two of these, 4 plugs. Got our bar, 2 pieces, 3 pieces. Those are all gonna connect, run along. And then these little bad boys right here that go on the ends, which connect our mounting plate to the edge of the side-by-side bed. Then we got all our bolts. So we're gonna get to putting this bad boy together. All right, first things first, what we're gonna do is we're going to mount our side plate. Takes one of these bad boys right here. That thing through here, grab one of these. It's got this little indent in it. So it's gonna slide right in there like so. This is gonna require what you're looking for, something like that. And I'm gonna have to have a pair of channel locks for that one. It's that one. We'll do the same with the other one. Now it sits in the bed like this. So this is the Ranger bed. This is the inside of the bed. It sits in there like that. So you want your bolt to go through like so. This, got this little indent right here. And it's gonna go on like so. Oops. So now that we got that together, we're going to put our support bar together. And that, we take this piece slides over, this piece slides over. Got 2 of these right here, which requires these. Got these 2 bolts right here. They're gonna go in. Go ahead and get them started. Then we're gonna do the same thing for the other side, but these 2 bolts here, they're gonna be on opposite sides of each other. I bet they are cold, buddy. Like so. That's still got to be tightened up, so we're not going to put that on there just yet. Then you take one of your mounting plates you got right here, and once again they're going to be alternating in different, so like so. And then with these get 2 bolts, no washers. Run that down right like so. And these are the 13 millimeter right here. Put that on there. We'll do the same thing for this side, but we're gonna put them on a different side. So we're going down with this side. Once again, you got 2 more bolts, no washers. And there you have it. Obviously, we're going to tighten this whole thing up here momentarily. We're just going to put it together right quick to see how it looks. Take your big bolt, run her through there. Same on the other side. We're going to do the same over here. This is going to be really nice because you can adjust the angle however you like. All right, now that I got the plates installed, I'm going to install our bar. Little trick I found. Go ahead and install your plate on the bed rail. Tighten your plungers up. It made it really easy, really quick actually to tighten up that nut. But now I'm going to take this bolt, run it through, and start installing the bar across the top, and then we'll get that tightened up. Well, we got it on there. We're gonna slide one of them, that gun boot on there right now. I've got one waiting on the other to show up. Said it should be here in a couple days. So that's tight. That's a tight fit, but I'll tell you what, it looks good. I wiggled it around a little bit. Doesn't look like it's going to hit the glass. I mean, it might run through one of the fields or something like that. But if it does, we'll just have to take it easy, take it slow.